Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Before we get into why I do real reviews, I need to show you something. Take a look. This is my JVZoo account. You can see all the purchases here inside of this account. I'm going to keep scrolling because this is actually going to go down to when I first came online in 2017. I actually started with potty training or toilet training niche, or in the toilet training niche, selling products on ClickBank using Facebook ads and quizzes. But I quickly developed this idea or this thought that there was a quicker way, there was a faster way, there was a better way. So I found JVZoo and I found the push button, get rich quick idea and products. As you can see here, going back to 2017. Now, I'm not going to say that all those products that I bought didn't work. Some of it was training, and it opened up my eyes to a world that I wouldn't have known about if I hadn't have purchased those products. For example, some of the products I purchased on JVZoo at that time allowed me to find out and hear about direct response marketing, which is the type of marketing that I do. It is my recommended style of marketing. It is where you put out a message to the world and you want to get a response into that message versus just general advertising or branding where you just put out a message and have no real clear action for the person that sees that message to take. But the point here is that why I do real reviews is because I've purchased all these products that I've reviewed, because all the products that I'm currently reviewing, and I'm going to leave a card up here in the right hand corner to the list of all my reviews that you can see, and you can go through those reviews and you can tell for yourself. Some of those reviews are what people call negative reviews, meaning that I'm being negative against the product or the vendor or the strategy. The only reason that's a negative review, in my opinion, is because I am telling you that the product doesn't work, or I'm telling you that the vendor can't be trusted, or I'm telling you that if you purchase from this vendor, this product most likely won't be around based upon the history that I have of buying these products that you saw inside of my JVZoo account going back to 2017. Now, another aspect of that negative review is the fact that people say all I do is create those reviews to bash other products and other vendors simply to promote my own training that I'm currently an affiliate for or my own products. Well, that's really not true. There is a strategy there inside of launch jacking. I'll leave a card up here about the art of launch jacking so you can understand how that works and how I can get targeted traffic doing that. But the message still stands the same. Even though I tell you that, yes, I give you free affiliate marketing training, my number one recommendation, which is in the link in the description in the pinned first comment, it's always there, no matter what video I do. So it's not just those reviews that people classify as negative where they say, Gary, you're only doing these reviews because you want to promote your own product. Yes, I want to promote my own product. That's what I do. That's what this channel exists for. My recommendation exists because I believe in that product. I trust that product. And those are the things that I do to make affiliate marketing work for me. Not just on this channel, on other channels and other ways and methods that are taught in that training. They work, they're tested, they're tried, and they're proven. So back to why I do real reviews. I do real reviews for a few reasons. The first reason, yes, admittedly, is to generate traffic. But if I don't generate that traffic with those keywords, then you will never hear that message. And that message being, don't buy into the push button nonsense that you're purchasing. It doesn't work. The only way to make money online is to create content and provide that content out to the world to a targeted audience and then give them helpful information. Now, that's how you do it for free. There are paid methods using paid strategies, running ads, paying for traffic, but still, you still have to have a message that is congruent with that ad, meaning you pay for that traffic, it clicks on the ad that you're running, then it has to go to a page where you either collect an email address and follow up with them, or you send them on to the offer. So you have to create that content. You have to create the pages. You have to come up with all this. These are basic building blocks and foundations of running an online business. And that's what I teach you here on the channel, as well as teaching you and showing you that some of these products just aren't worth buying. Now, there are products on here that I actually recommend. There's some products that I recommend that I caveat by telling you, look, buy this product, but only by the front end. Buy this product only if you're going to implement this strategy. Buy this product only if you have money to get into the strategy because this strategy costs money. Or buy this product if you have time because you can bolt it on to the foundation of the free training that I've given you. And of course, that free training, again, link in the description. All you have to do is click on that link, give me your email address. It takes you to 100% free training to start online with affiliate marketing. So back to why I do reviews again. Let me show you inside of my Warrior Plus account. Here is the same thing that you saw, basically what you saw inside of the JVZoo account. It is everything that I've ever purchased, everything that I've gone through. And now again, a lot of this stuff I've learned from, a lot of this stuff I've implemented, but the idea and the point here is I purchased all these products. I've evaluated these products based upon actual use, testing them, trying them out, using the strategies, being on the vendor's email list, getting their emails, getting their recommendations, understanding who they are, what they stand for, why they promote these products, why they launch these products, and why these products exist for these vendors. And most of these people on this list, these products only exist. And if you purchase them, you'll find out real quick that the only reason that they launch these products is because that's how they make money. They create products, they create content, the product being the content, and they launch it every month and they generate revenue. On their sales page and inside their product, they'll tell you, you don't need to create any content. You don't need your own product. You don't need to learn any of this information. You don't need to learn how to send email. You don't need an email autoresponder. You don't need to learn marketing, period. You just need to buy their product, push a few buttons and make money. It's absolute nonsense. It doesn't work. I've been doing this since 2017. You saw inside of my JVZoo account. You saw inside of my Warrior Plus account. Again, not all those products and all those vendors are bad and shady. It's not the marketplace. It's not necessarily the vendor that uses the marketplace. It is when they decide to become a product creator and a product launcher, and that's all they do is launch product after product using the exact same tactic, the exact same sales page, where they're tapping into your fear, your anxiety, the fact that you want to make money online, the fact that you can't make money online because you're impatient and you don't want to put in the work. You don't want to build the foundations that you can easily build by clicking the link in the description, giving me your email address, going over and starting the free training that is my #1 recommendation to get started with affiliate marketing. That is why I do real reviews on this channel. Again, it is part of a traffic strategy that I use to find people just like you that are struggling, that want to make money online, that are going to purchase those products. And I give you the truth, the real review, a real review where I look at the product, I look at the vendor, I look at the strategy of the product and does it work? And then I make my recommendation based upon that, whether you should invest your money or not invest your money, invest your time or not waste your time. Because at the end of the day, those two things, your money and your time, are the most important things you have. Of course, with time being the only one that you can't get back. So I value your time. And with that, I'm going to end this video and I'm going to say thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel by hitting the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications of future videos. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.